guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. Merry Christmas to everybody. I wanted to come here. I was like, I need to do an intro for this video, even though the video will be a bit long, but I need to do an intro and come and say Merry Christmas to everybody. Yeah, it's been an amazing year for me. I hope it's been for you too, and if not, you don't worry, next year will be better, like way better. We need to have positive attitude. You guys know my channel is all about good vibes. I'm always like a very positive spirit. Like, to be honest with you, like, some things in life happen, but I just don't let them weigh me down. Do you know what I mean? Like, we have to be positive always, okay? I don't know why I'm doing like this, but we have to be positive always. Next year will be better for us all. We're gonna be in our bags. We're gonna be in our bags, okay? That's the point. We're gonna be in our bags. We're gonna be better people. We're gonna do better. We're gonna be better. Everything, every areas in our life, we're gonna upgrade. Do you know what I mean? I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas as well. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed. All I did was eat and I was in my bed, and yeah. Guys, today's video, obviously, as you guys see, I am feeling myself. Aside from it being Christmas and all that stuff, I am feeling myself. Hello, this hair is giving me so much life. This hair is just gingering me. Anyways, this hair got me feeling myself. What show modern hair got me feeling myself. I am feeling myself. I'm feeling like a bad bee, okay? I'm feeling myself. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm feeling myself. Just another hair review / hair tutorial. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm feeling myself, okay? Like, I'm gonna catch you guys in a minute, okay? final look of this tutorial. I am actually in love with this hair. This hair is so gorgeous, sleek, you name it, lush, you name it, like full. The bundles are so full. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the bundles are lush. This hair is so thick. I ended up using 3 bundles and a half, and this is what's left of the last bundle. Yeah, this hair is so lush. Like, you guys see, this hair is so full. Like, that's what I love about bundles. I want to wear my wig and, you know, there's hair in it. Like, it's not just like 1 strand or 2 strand or whatever. This hair is the type of hair that you put in a ponytail and there's hair there. It's not just like there. Do you know what I mean? Look at how thick this hair is. Look how thick this hair is in a ponytail. Like, if I was to put a hair in the ponytail, this is what it should be looking like. So anyways, oh, I ruined my curls, but it's okay. Anyways, this hair is so lush. I love it because it's actually so silky. It's so soft. That's one thing. Aside from me dyeing it in like hot water and all that stuff, it's still maintained. It's still stayed. It's still flowing. Okay, that's what we want. One thing I will definitely be doing again is actually dyeing this hair. You dye the roots of the frontal, like obviously me dyeing it like section by section. But when it came to the bundles, I wanted to try the watercolor method, and that's what I did. That flopped because I feel like I did not put enough dye in the water, and there was more water than dye, so obviously it wasn't dyeing the hair, if that makes sense. So I would definitely be dyeing this again. Can you guys see how like sleek jet black looks? Because obviously the frontal part of the frontal is actually jet black, but the bundles at the back are like 1B natural color, because obviously it didn't get to that, you get me? I went for a side parting because obviously I feel like the side parting just looks lush with this type of hair. You can do like half up down, whatever style you like to do, just do it. If you guys see me looking down, looking at my mirror, by the way. So obviously this is not a pre-made wig, as you guys have seen in the clips earlier. I made this with myself. I make my wigs myself, so that's that. So the frontal is thin. When I say thin, this is the type of frontal that obviously we've got to be itself. It's staying down. Like, it is stayed down. It glued down. Like, what? Where is it going? It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. By the sides, I feel like that there's not like a lot of hair, but it's not like it's thin. It's not like it's just 1 or 2 strands. I don't know, maybe it's just me because I'm used to, like, when I buy bundles and frontals separately, I feel like I'm used to like dense frontals. However, this frontal is not that dense. I didn't do a lot of plucking to it. I just did minimal plucking. Obviously, I don't really like over plucking my frontals, if that makes sense. I'm not a fan of that type of look, so I just plucked the minimal that I have to pluck. It melts in perfectly. You guys saw me use one product that I'm gonna give a shout out to. Obviously there was a giveaway on Instagram going on, but me, as I played too much, I just replied anyways, and I won the giveaway. Lucky me. So anyways, this is from Capping. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, sorry. This is from Capping. So it's the whipped cream lace thin foam. Obviously you guys know I don't tint my lace. Yeah, I don't tint my lace. I just put my foundation in it and that's it. But I was like, okay, there's this lace thin foam going around, I want to try it. So obviously I won the giveaway. Aside from that, I purchased another one because obviously I wear wigs frequently, do you know what I mean? So this is the lace tint foam, as I said earlier, and this is the shade Mocha. It's actually melt and tint lace at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. It says melt and tint lace. So basically it melts your wig and it tints your lace at the same time. However, I did went to wig got to be, as you guys saw in the clips previously, to melt my lace before using this. Because obviously I want the wig on my head. I've not had a wig on my head. Even on Christmas Day, I did not have a wig on my head. Can you see how embarrassing that's it? So obviously I wanted the wig on my head for like 2-3 days. So that's why I went to Got To Be before using this. But hello, are you listening to me? You need to get this product because this product is the GOAT. Like, this is the bomb.com. I know I might be late to the party. I think I'm late to the party, I can't lie to you. But the people that have not tried this, please get your hands on a lace tint mousse. Or foam, whipped cream, mousse. It's mousse, foam, anything, the same thing anyways. So please get your hands on it because it's actually help you a lot. They have different shades and that will match your skin tone, and you know, for that flawless look. Okay, you don't have to do too much. It doesn't stay like that, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just one pump. You guys saw me use like one pump. No, I used 2 pumps for like the whole frontal. Obviously if you're going like a closure, you need like 1 pump and you're good to go. And I did put it in my closure as well, on my parting, I mean. So yeah, that mousse, chef's kiss, you need that, sis. You need it, especially if you're like a beginner. You do need it because it will actually help you. If you're wearing closure and you don't know how to lace things, or I don't know, you don't want to apply foundation on your lace or whatever it is, get you that. Just, you know, lay your closure down, your frontal or whatever it is, put that lace tint on it and you're good to go. So anyways, flyaways were not too bad. You guys see my flyaways are tamed, nothing is flying. I don't know if you guys can see that, nothing is flying. I think this hair here just up, but nothing is flying on my flyaways. Shedding is actually minimal. As I said, this hair is so thick, like thick comes, okay, thicker than a Snicker. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The hair is so balm, like it's actually so balm. Like, look at how I'm running my hands through the hair and the bundles. This is the type of hair that you wear and you be feeling yourself, girl. Like, you need to get some bundles. If you need to get some bundles, girl, get it from Show Modern Hair because the hair is so lush. This is the type of wig you want to wear and you'll be slaying. Like, sis, hello, okay, like, I'm feeling myself in these bundles. Like, I'm feeling myself with this hair. Anyways, guys, that's all I have to say. I know I've rambled too much, but this hair is so amazing. I can't lie to you. Like, the hair is lush.com. The hair is balm.com. Guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love it. If you do love it and you're new on my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because, girl, I've been vlogging you like, hello. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, get you some bundles, girl, get you some bundles. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.